Hi, only to let you know that this week I don't have any video tutorial to show you because I had some issues and so I thought of sharing with you some ideas that I created, some paper earrings that I made using my paper tutorial that you can follow and find on my YouTube channel. You can have a look at this one. These are made with paper circles. This one also with the paper flower, but you can create the paper earring in this way, both left and right, if you don't have any paper flower punch. This one with these cute beads that is not made in paper, but this is fabric, and this one with these are made using 2 strips of paper, and then you roll them and create this kind of beads. These are made with glitter paper in silver, and you can find the tutorial on my YouTube channel. The tutorial is with show a pair of paper earring in pink, this one with this flower, and you can find the tutorial. They are the red paper flowers, and this one in my YouTube channel you can find this made using some glitter paper and then some beads here. This is another option. This video is only to show you that with some paper, some creativity, you can create anything you like, and they are so easy to make. If there is a pair of paper earrings that you like and you would like a paper tutorial, please leave a comment below this video and I will create the tutorial. Okay, let's go. Sorry. Thank you so much, and see you next time with a new paper tutorial. Bye bye.